Welcome to 8718 Lenox Avenue Southwest in Lakewood, Washington. We're in an ideal location for this classic 4-bedroom, 2-bath Rambler, just under 1,300 square feet on half of an acre. We're just minutes away from I-5 as well as JBLM, and we're also within arm's reach of Fort Steilacoom Park. It's a 340-acre park, has a doggy park in it, baseball fields, soccer fields, and it also has a lake for you to enjoy. It's called Wahab Lake. And then on the other side of Fort Steilacoom Park is Pierce College, a local community college. So let's go inside and take a look at this beautiful home. This home has an open concept floor plan with hardwood floors throughout most of the home, as well as a brand new roof. The fireplace facade has been redone with beautiful reclaimed wood and tile, and the mantle is also a chunk of reclaimed wood. There are stainless steel appliances that adorn the kitchen with seemingly endless cupboard and storage space. A great place to prepare your meals. The backyard is an inviting, private play space to enjoy barbecues, gardening, roasting marshmallows, and your Trex deck for entertaining. Come take a look at this incredible home. It may be your new next home.